नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Brahagund, Faculty of Ayurveda, Jyoti Vidyapeth, Human University, Jaipur. Today's topic is Ashok and Shirish. First, we discuss about Ashok, and first is botanical name of Ashok, Saraka Ashoka. Very easy but very important. Saraka, Ashoka, and the family is Fabaceae. Uh, like, one species is Saraka indica also, and Fabaceae called Shilbipur, and Charak mentioned Ashok in Kashayistan and Vednatha was Mahakasha. And Shushruta mentioned Ashok in Rodradina. Hindi name Ashok and synonyms of Ashok and its meaning is firstly Ashok, that which relieves shock or sufferings, especially of movements. That is why it's called Ashok. Hem Pushpa, golden yellow flower, so it is called Hem Pushpa. Tamra Pallav, the tender leaves are coppery reddish in color. And Kankeli, the plant bears a pleasant look. The plant bears a pleasant look, so it is called Kankeli. Pind Pushpa, flowers occur in clusters, so it is called Pind Pushpa. Gandh Pushpa, the flowers have pleasant smell or fragrance, so it is called Gandh Pushpa. Madhu Pushpa, flowers during Vasant Ritu or during spring. Madhu Pushpa. Screpia, liked by women as it is useful in gynecological disorder, so it is called Screpia. Main features: the young leaves are coffee in color, the flowers are golden yellow in color, fragrant and blooming in spring, useful in gynecological disorders. Great variety. Actually, there are no varieties in Ashok, but some Vadyas take Polyerithia longifolia over Ashoka, which is wrong. The Janine Ashoka used for Rakpradar and Garbhashya Vikar very commonly. These use is not mentioned by Charak, Shushruta, Dhanvantari, Nigantu, Raj Nigantu, and Mahaprakash. This use is Shirikara commonly. This use not mentioned by Charak, Shushruta, Dhanvantari, Nigantu, Raj Nigantu, and Mahaprakash Nigantu. Shushruta has mentioned this drug in Lodradigan and its use in Yoni Dosha. Uh, Vrand Madhav has used this drug for the first time in Rat Pradha. Habitat Utpatti Sthan, an evergreen tree much cultivated in gardens for the sake of its very handsome orange red color. It is often planted near temples. It is found wild at low elevation on the Himalaya or Kumaon eastward. Habit Swarup, a tree 6 to 9 meter height, branches glabrous, leaves 15 to 25 centimeter long, rachis glabrous, corky at the base, petioles very short, stipules intrapetiolar completely united, 10 to 13 mm, scarious, ovate, oblong, ovules, parallel nerved, leaflets 4 to 6 pair, 10 to 20 by 3 to 5.7 centimeter oblong, lanceolate, ovules or acute quite glabrous, base rounded or cunate, slightly oblique, petioles 4.5 to 6.5 mm long, stout, wrinkled, stipules, deciduous, flowers fragrant, numerous, in dense, axillary, forames 7.5 to 10 centimeter across, pedicles stout, pedicles 8 to 13 mm long, rat, glabrous, ovate, subaquate, bracteoles tube, appearing like a calyx 4 mm long, stapulate, oblong, subacute, ciliolate, empirical, colored, calyx passing from yellow to orange, and finally red tube 1.3 to 2 centimeter long, cylindric, solid at the base, segment 4, oblong or ovate, oblong 1 centimeter long, petals 0, stamens 7 or 8, much exerted, filaments, filiforms thrice as long as calyx, segments anthers purple, ovary pubescent, especially on the sutures, style carved into a ring, pods black 10 to 25, 4.5 to 5 centimeter linear oblong, appearing to both ends, compressed glabrous, vine, seed 4 to 8, ellipsoid oblong, 3.8 centimeter long, slightly compressed. उपयुक्त अंग पार्ट यूज त्वक पुष्प एंड बीज commonly bark is used त्वक पुष्प and bees commonly bark is used description of the twig channel externally dark green to greenish gray smooth with circular lenticels and transversely rigid sometimes cracked, internally reddish brown, with fine longitudinal strands and fibers. Fractures splintery, exposing striated surface. A thin whitish continuous layer is seen, whereas the cork layer is astringent. Now we talk about the properties of Ashoka. First is Rasha. रस कषाय तिक्त वीर्य शीत and गुण लघुरूक्ष and vipak is katu. दोष कर्मता कफ with shamak रोगग्न कर्मता or pharmacological actions ग्राही वर्ण हृदय शोथ विषग्न वेदना स्थापन रक्त संग्रहणीय तृष्णा सामक क्रमिघ्न रक्त शोधक and गर्भाशय उत्तेजक. These are the pharmacological action of Ashoka. Now the therapeutic uses in Rakt Pradar, a sheer bark with the bark is given in the early morning. Chakradatt Shushruth mentioned use Ashok Grit in Vatvyadi. Ashok sheet with water prescribed in condition of suppression of urine and urinary calculi. Matra dose Tatvakwa 50 to 100 ml, Pushp Churn 1 to 3 gram, Beet Churn 1 to 2 gram. Aushad Yog formulations Ashoka Rest, Ashok Grit. Chemical constituents, tannins, a crystalline glycosides, imetoxylin. It is the important question. Imetoxylin, uh, imetoxylin, catechin. These are the important chemical constituents of Ashoka. Substitutes and adulterants. Stem bark of Polyalgal longivilia, commonly planted in parks, gardens, and avenues, and also known as Ashok tree in the most common adulterant of the drug. It is readily distinguished from genuine material by absence of rough and watery protuberance and easily peeling off outer bark. The color of inner bark is polyalgae dark brown in contrast with brick red color in the case of Saraka Ashoka. Then Bhavaprakash Nigantu says for Ashoka that Ashoka hem pushpu vanjulas tamra pallava kankeli pind pushpa gandha pushpo nato तथा अशोक शीतल स्तुतो ग्राही वर्ण कषाय के दोषा सच्ची तृषा दह कृमि शोष विषात्र. These are the briefly description of Ashoka. And now we discuss about Shirish, Alvesia lava. The botanical name of Shirish is Alvesia lava. Family is Fabaceae, Symbicol, and the Charak mentioned Shirish in Vishagna Mahakashai, Vedana Sthapan Mahakashai, Siro Virichan Mahakashai, and Kashai Skanda. So the Charak mentioned Shirish in Vishagna Mahakashai, Vedana Sthapan Mahakashai, and Shiro Virichan Mahakashai, and Kashai Skanda. चरक मेंशन शीरीष एज विशग्ना नाम यानी कि विष को दूर करने वालों में श्रेष्ठ बताया है शीरीष को. सुश्रुत मेंशन शीरीष इन सालसरादी गण. Hindi name Shirish. And now let's see the synonyms and its meaning about Shirish. Firstly, Shirish, a beautiful tree to look at. Shirish means beautiful tree. दिखने में जो सुंदर हो. Bhandil, that which brings happiness or auspicious tree. Bhandil. Kapitan grows widely. Shuk pushpa, flowers liked by parrots. Shuk pushpa, flowers liked by parrots. Shuk taru, the leaves resembles the color of parrot. The leaves resemble the color of parrot. Mrudu pushp, the flowers are tender and soft. Shuk priya, liked by parrot. Shuk pushpaka, the flowers are beautiful. Lomash pushpaka, the flowers are pubescent. Vish hanta, antidote for the poison. Vrant pushpa, having round flowers. Shukab pushpa, flowers are liked by parrots. Vishapah, that which removes poison. Main features: the Shirish tree occurs in wild state. The flowers are beautiful, pubescent, glabose, and liked by parrots. It is considered as an auspicious plant. It is considered in Agartantra as the drug of choice of the treatment of wish. Habitat: Utpatti Sthan, Western Himalayas up to 5,000 feet and all over India. Flowers in April and May. The pod ripen in October and remains for long time on the tree. Habit: Swarup, a large and armed deciduous tree with grayish bark and leaves eventually two pinnate, reaches 3 to 9 inch long, with a large sessile gland, gland near the base and 2 to 3 interpinnular ones. Pinnae 2 to 3 pairs, 4 inches long, leaflets 5 to 9, subsessile 1 to inch long, obliquely elliptic oblong and ovovate oblong, obtuse or reddish, glabrous and slightly pubescent banner, pale green. Flowers 1 to 1 by 4 inch across, white fragrant, peduncles solitary or 2 to 4 together from the axil of upper leaves and corymbos. At the end of short leaves, branches, pedicels slender, tuberous, calyx about 1 by 3 inches, teeth short, deltoid corolla twice as long as the calyx, tube glabrous, lobe ovate, lanceolate, hairy outside, filament rose, colored, ununited within the calyx tube, about 4 to 12 inches long by 1 to 2 inches broad, linear oblong, blunt at both ends, flat, compressed, smooth and glossy, straw colored with pale brown patches over the seed. Suture slightly thickened, seed 4 to 12, pale brown. उपयुक्त अंग पार्ट यूज त्वक पत्र पुष्प एंड बीज उपयुक्त अंग पार्ट यूज त्वक पत्र पुष्प एंड बीज Description of the part twig 1.5 to 2.5 centimeter thick, external surface dark brown, rough due to longitudinal fissure, transverse crack, rhytidoma forming major part of the bark and peeling of the flax exposing buff colored surface, middle bark brown, inner bark much fibrous, light yellow to grey, fracture laminated into outer region and fibrous in inner region, test very stringent. So we talk about the properties of shirish. First of all, we talk about ras. Ras is thick and kashai. After that, we look about virya, anushna madhur, anushna. Gun is lagu, vipak is katu. Dosh karmata, chadoshama. Rogan karmata, pharmacological reactions. First is pharmacological reactions. First is shothagna, विषाप्रहर, काशग्न, व्रणरोपण, विषग्न, कुष्ठग्न, कंडुग्न, Topdosha, Sirovechan, Brush and Wine. These are the pharmacological actions of Shirish. And Amit Prayog therapeutic uses, the flower is used in Shukra Stambhan. The Shirish Pushpa uh, Kadlikand with the pitli followed by rice water is used in all type of swans. A, a paste prepared of cerise bark and karpas flower and arawad leaves and kakmachi panchang is useful. It strengthens the gum in krami shirish dwaras and kines give the with madhu punch uh, Panch Shiresa prepared with panchang of plant is useful in dish. In Gandamala, a kalp prepared by Shirish paste is applied and given internally. The eye disease, the quark prepared by the leaves is given internally and the swaras is applied on the eyes. In Visarp caused due to cough, flowers of Shirish mixed with syrup and applied. Matra, Twak Churan 3 to 6 gram, Pushp and Patra Churan 10 to 20 ml, Beet Churan 1 to 2 grams. औषधि योग फॉर्मुलेशन महाशिरीषादि अगर शिरीषारिष्ट वज्रक तेल दशांग लेप अयस्कृति देवदार्य रिष्ट एंड Bharat Maricha detail, chemical composition, synonyms and tannins, and substance adulterations, stem bark of Albizia mariginata, known as Nan Manvivaka in Malayalam and Pulivaka in Tamil, is more often used in substitute in South India. A odoritissima is similarly employed in northern and western India. The two substitutes can be distinguished from Albizia lazac bark by ash white color and the thinner middle bark in the case of Odoritissima and deep purplish outer surface and yellowish white inner surface in a Odoritida marginata. And Bhauprakash Nivan to say about Shiris is Shiriso, Bhandilo, Bandi, Mandrish Kapitan hai, Shuk Pushpa hai, Shuk Tarur Mrdu Pushpa hai, Shuk Priya, Shirisho, Madhuro, Anushtiknasya, Turo Lagu, Dosh Shotha, Visharpa Gnai, Kash Prana Vishapa hai. These all about Shirish. So today's detailed session is powered by Digital 2.0 with the P216 Media Production. I hope you all are satisfied with this digital sessions. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it soon. Thank you.